I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening voice memos so you can record immediately. Tap the app icon, and if iOS asks for mic access, grant permission. Otherwise, go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone, and toggle voice memos on. Make sure your phone battery is above 20% or keep it plugged in to prevent abrupt stops. Once open, position the microphone toward your mouth or sound source. Close windows to reduce wind noise. Now you're ready for the first recording. Tap the red record button to begin. You'll record by tapping the red record button and speaking naturally about 6 to 12 inches from the microphone so audio stays clear without distortion. Watch the waveform on screen. If the peaks flatten, you're clipping. Move back or lower your volume. Use the pause button to stop temporarily and resume to continue, which keeps takes in one file. If you need higher quality, connect an external mic or AirPods. Once satisfied, tap stop. Make sure to name the file promptly to find it later. You'll finish by tapping done, then typing a clear title so you can locate the note later. Descriptive names save time. To clean the clip, tap the recording, choose Edit, then trim to remove the start or end, or use Replace to re-record a section. This preserves file continuity. When complete, use the share icon to send via messages, mail, AirDrop, or save to files and iCloud. If recordings fail, check microphone permissions and storage. Rebooting the phone often resolves stuck recording issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.